Vandanam, my name is Dinesh Rai, and I'm the general manager for this fantastic hotel, Crowne Plaza Kochi. For us, sustainability isn't just an initiative, it's a way of living. Guided by IG's journey to tomorrow, we are creating a future where responsible choices leads to great changes. Our in-house glass bottling plant produces 1,000 bottles a day, preventing nearly 30,000 plastic bottles from entering into landfill every month. That's over 360,000 bottles saved every year. With 4 EV charging stations and addition of electric vehicles for our guest green commute, we are taking meaningful step towards a cleaner carbon neutral future. By replacing the entire halogen lights of our facade to energy efficient LEDs, thereby making it 100% energy efficient LED lights indoors and outdoors, which also has reduced 40% lighting consumption and significantly reducing the carbon footprint. Through the switch to PNG gas from diesel and LPG, we've reduced a diesel consumption to almost 0%, which further reduced 3 lakh ton of carbon emission due to diesel consumption. We have reduced the diesel generator operation to nil by introducing ring main unit and alternate feed from electricity board. By the use of premium bulk amenities, we have lowered emissions and minimized plastic waste, showing that luxury can truly be sustainable too. Even we have implemented reusable netted bags for garden waste. We also introduced a heat pump system for our hot water in our guest areas, which is helping us cut 75% of our energy consumption through hot water. A small change with a big impact. Our renewable energy consumption for 2025 was 38% of the overall energy consumption. And every 3 years, we carry out a thorough energy audit to make sure we are always following the best practices and staying ahead in sustainability. The beautifully maintained 3 acres landscape opposite the hotel on the national highway is not just maintained by us. It is a way of our giving back to the Kochi environment, transforming a busy highway into the greener corridor. Well, we do it still using recycled water through drip irrigation and also using the recycled compost manure. We have introduced AI-based food waste management system in our main restaurant, which helped us reduce food waste by 40 kgs per day. Further, the initiative includes no bin days. Our team turns awareness into every day's action. Now this waste, where does it go? We introduced a 50 kg waste composter that turns organic food waste into healthy manure, so even our leftovers is given back to the earth. I'm proud that these efforts have earned us IGIMEA Sustainability Award, Promise Sustainability Award consecutively for 2 years in a row, Energy Management Award by EMC Trivandrum, and the most prestigious for 10 years India Leadership Award for Environment and Sustainability. At Crowne Plaza Kochi, every sustainable choice is a commitment to our planet, to our community, and the future where luxury and responsibility go hand in hand.